Hello there, these are the colors for today. Titanium white, primary cyan, primary magenta, primary yellow. We're gonna use the oil cold, thread me spot on, and we're gonna put 2 drops on each of the colors except the white. The medium is gonna be the DecoArt Pouring medium. Let's get started. This is the viscosity that you need to have on your colors. Note that it makes a mount. It is very fluid, but it makes a mount at the end of the fluid acrylic. And we're gonna use a cup, 7 ounces cup. The purpose of the white is to help the paint to go to the edges. Let's move it to the front and open it. Wow, this is so pretty. Now I'm going to start torching it. I'm going to drop that section because I don't like it. Note how the white is helping it to move to the edges. Now, I wanted the cells to be tiny, so I mixed a lot the oil inside the cups. Now if I want larger cells, I just have to move it. Right now I'm just going to torch again. I don't have enough paint on the sides because I probably didn't mix enough paint, but I can put some paint from the cups. I'm just going to torch to see what else I'm gonna bring. Now this DecoArt Pouring medium always creates cells, so it's excellent if you're learning. Now I don't like this section, so I want to move it that way. Let's see. I'm going to move these cells and probably get them bigger. Now with DecoArt Pouring medium, you have a small window to move it because it starts drying right away. Gonna move it slowly until it reaches the edge, and I lose and I start covering. There you go. I don't want to lose too much. I'm gonna bring it back because I don't want to lose all those beautiful white and blue cells. I'm gonna move it this way a tiny bit. I still want to cover this side. I don't want to lose what I have. Trying to do it slowly, but somehow it was a little bit more liquid and it's moving fast. Faster than what I want. There you go. Let's start moving it before I lose them. Still have another section. In here. Let's see. So you have to play. You have to play once you are in this. You have to start playing with your design, and I wanna keep all those beautiful cells. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring some paint from the cup and put it on the side, on this side, because it's not covered yet. This is from where I'm gonna take it, but I'm gonna bring some clean gloves. Now today I wanted to have smaller cells than I normally get, so that was why I mixed a lot the oil inside the cup. I'm taking from the cup and put it on the side. I'm gonna move this a tiny bit in here, tiny bit. There. Let's move it back. So I'm gonna show you what I have. Fix the sides, and this is it. So and thank you for joining me again. And please watch the other videos and subscribe to my channel. And let's put this in here and bring another one to finish with the paints that I have left. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. This is so pretty. So pretty. Look at all the many cells, and I wanted to have smaller cells, so I mix a lot the oil inside the cups.